Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today we are trying, or not we're trying, we will prepare my next geocache white belt with one of those nice master number 3. It is, as I said, white belt, so it's not very hard. But sometimes you get camera shy, so let's see if I can pick it pretty quick here. I'm using this trashy pick set just to show that it's doable. I will add this tensioner and this gozo pick. It's pretty cheap, so be careful with the pick, with the metal, it might bend. So I will put this in the geocache as well. Please leave it there. Alright, so what we're doing, we will, it's the wrong key, sorry. I got the logbook in here. You might have to slam it to get it out a little, or use a pick. I will throw in the first to find, of course it's first to pick, also in here. Then we're gonna close it, and we will secure the whole thing with the lock. So you can find the geocache, but to get a lock you need to fix this one. So this will be in this brown box. I hope this will, well, should fit. I got some travel bugs to go with. Oh shit. And where's my cover? Where's my cover? So you will go out and look for this one, for the white belt Panda-Frog. As I told you, we got the logbook in here with the master number 3 white belt, pretty easy, but you need to pick it. I got a pick set in here, so yeah. And some stuff to trade and some travel bugs. And I already found a nice location and I will set it tonight. Maybe, yeah, I will set it tonight. So there's more room for more stuff in here. So whenever you want to throw in something, just go ahead, alright? This is my geocache lockpicking white belt. Just a quick introduction. Happy picking, happy caching, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.